Right-click on the Start button, select Run, and type regedit and click OK to open the registry editor. Go to computer/key_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/CurrentVersion/Winlogon. Inside the Winlogon registry key, you will be able to locate a registry named Shell. The value data for this registry string should point to explorer.exe. So I will just add explorer.exe value and click OK. Next we will now go to another register key, and make some changes which can help us to fix File Explorer issue. So go to computer/key_current_user/software/classes/local settings/software/Microsoft/Windows/Shell. Bag Maru and Bags are the two registry key found. Under Shell you have to back up these registry keys and then delete both of them. Once you delete it, reboot your system and the File Explorer issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.